Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Franciscus Osus Juang. NIM R1B1 18021. I'm from in Department of Geography, Faculty of Technology and Earth Science, Halu Oleh University Kendari 2021. Definisi conjunction. Conjunction is a word that connect other words, a phrase, clause, and even sentence. Conjunction make it possible to construksi comply reference sentences and skip the confines of north-south sentences. Conjunction in English are divided into their main groups, namely 1. Coordinating conjunction, 2. Subordinating conjunction, 3. Correlative conjunction. Coordinating conjunction, two linked words, pairs or clause of some structure. Coordinating conjunction will be studied in R4 and not by or yet and so. Example of remote sensing. 1. I really like remote sensing lesson. 2. Rita and her brother were just talking about radar. 3. He just practiced using the stereoscope. Subordinating conjunction. The join to class of the seminar structure of or of an importance. This is especially the case with impend and non-impend clause. Subordinating conjunction of so that with, because, if, where, after, until, dan lain-lain. Example of remote sensing. 1. Alto can drive of the ask my present to drive to the city. 2. Jane back her work after her event had gone. 3. He had gone before spoke to him. Correlative conjunction. Join to ancient part of science to comparative or contrast of ideas in sciences. The most commonly was correlative conjunction are not add or not only by also but and water or. Example of remote sensing. There is not a difference between your and NIM. Hardly had you left the restaurant when the party was started. 3. If you help him know them, he'll reply you one day. Passive voice. Definition Bennett. Passive voice is when your voice sense in which the subject, relative, and action. Formula passive voice. S tambah 2 tambah B tambah verb 3. Example of remote sensing. 1. My sister drives difference at painting every single day. B. At painting are dreams every single day by my sister. 2. The man is tidying up the living room. B. The living room is being tied up. 3. My father has done 5 racks of daily disguise. B. For 5 racer of daily disguise have been done. 3. The doctor at the hospital injects my dad into the pain's blood vessel. B. Made sweats inject into the pain's blood vessel. 5. The chef was taking out the supplies from the food stock. B. The supplies from the food stock were taken out. Thank you very much for your actions. Terima kasih.